So hey guys, today I will be unboxing 15 of the new seed packs. They are called as the flower seed packs and they came in the Bee Swarm update recently. This is the first one. I really hope I get something good. Okay, I guess that's good. Second one. Okay, I don't think that's bad though. Third one. Another rose. Okay. Fourth one. A rose. Okay. Fifth one. A lilac. Sixth one. A rose. Seventh one. A rose. Eighth one. Anything else? A foxglove. Good, I guess. Ninth one. We got another rose. 10th one. I really hope I get something else. Okay. I don't have anything to say about rose. 11th one. Okay. 12th one. Another rose. Good. 13th one. A foxglove. Okay. 14th one. Let's see what we get. A rose. Okay. And the last 15th one. A foxglove. Okay, I did not get the rarest one, but thank you guys.